Geneva Tower, November 757 Hotel Whiskey on the ILS runway 23.
Welcome, 757 Hotel Whiskey, number 3. This is 57 Hotel Whiskey, vacate via taxiway Delta, wind calm on a 23, clear to land.
We'll vacate via Delta and clear to land runway 23, 7 Hotel Whiskey.
Negative 757 Hotel Whiskey, continue approach. Break, TOPSWISS 57 Hotel Victor, vacate via Delta, wind calm on a 23, clear to land.
Clear to land 23 to vacate Delta to the plus of Hotel Victor.
Number 757 Hotel Delta, release the minimum approach speed. Traffic is lining up for departure in front of you.
757 Hotel Whiskey, reduce the minimum approach speed.
Thank you, sir. Number 757 Hotel Whiskey, wind calm, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 23, 7 Hotel Whiskey. Tower number 757 Hotel Whiskey on Alpha runway 23.
Say station coding again.
757 Hotel Whiskey, we're still sending it down at this point, but we'll be ready again.
Good day, number 7 Hotel Whiskey Hunter. Number 757 Hotel Whiskey, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23, 7 Hotel Whiskey.
7 Hotel Whiskey?
7 Hotel Whiskey, go ahead.
Yes, just for my curiosity, what is it you have on the top of the fuselage? Is it the measurement gear or what is it?
It's a pylon to mount an engine. We do engine testing on this aircraft through the Honeywell Boeing.
Thank you very much, 7 Hotel Whiskey. With this calm, 182 clear for data.
Let's take off number 2.
Number 7 Hotel Whiskey, connect departure 119.525. Goodbye.
119.525, goodbye. 757 Hotel Whiskey.